episode on the BMW Z4, I'm going to the local garage to use their brake rollers and hopefully manage to get these brakes finished once and for all. About the pedal, a bit squidgy, or
it felt a little bit soft at first, but then it was locking up. So I mean, it didn't sort of drop right down. And servos will give you that assistance anyway.
Yeah.
Everything looks quite good, to be fair. It's saying there the fail on the handbrake, but that's only because it's given a difference of 30%. It's not the new system's come in now, where it's 50%.
Right, okay.
Yeah, so that's seen it at 30%, which was the last board.
So one more click on that driver's side, and that
I would have thought so. If you can, was it discs on the back of it?
disc, yeah.
Yeah, just.
But they've got shoes inside the discs on them.
So the handbrake's on the shoes then.
Yeah.
What I would do rather than doing a click, because it'll adjust both, would be just do that direct, take the hub off. You know what I mean?
What do you mean, sorry?
When you're saying a click, you're not on about just the cable.
No, just one click on the adjuster on the handbrake
adjuster.
Yeah.
If you do that, then that'll be fine. Yeah, don't do it on because some people do it on the cable and it pulls them both up.
No one do that.
Yeah, that's your report.
Awesome.
Ignore the fail because that would be a pass.
Yeah.
Like
Quality.
I say, it's on the thing.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
No worries.
Let's get this roof down. Perfect. Safety first. So that's the brake test done, complete. Time to get back home. That's the car now home. Let's get the roof back up. So the brake test went really well. I could do adjusting. There we go, done. I could do adjusting up the driver's rear, just one click, because although the efficiency was there was no imbalance, the driver's side didn't lock up. So I'm just going to take the wheel nut out, give it one little click to adjust it, put the wheel nut back in, and hopefully shouldn't have to remove the wheel. The brake pedal works fine. There's a little bit of travel to start with, but as the guy at the garage said, could be to do with the servo, because the wheels all lock up, the brakes are all working efficiently and as it should. And yeah, it drives really, really nice. So let's get back inside and then we're gonna edit this video. So it's just a quick one today. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, as always, please hit the thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you can, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future content. I will be getting on with this car very soon. So if you're interested in classic minis, stick around. If you're not, we'll stick around anyway. Loads of stuff coming up in the new year. So yeah, should be good. But that's it from me, and I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy.